So you can see there, Jesus reigns. Yeah, so we're really at the top, but not that so high. Hello guys! Welcome to our channel! Yes. So say hi, Kuya! Oh, yes. So today, it's another day. It's so sunny today, right, Kuya?
Yeah.
The sun is so hot today.
Yeah.
Oh, are you tired?
No.
Oh, not really. Yes. Yes. Yes, so today po, we're going to Ate Elsie's kanang farm or ilang umahan. So, yeah, we will go to the farm. Not our farm, but somebody's farm. So we will look for sweet potato there. We will buy sweet potatoes since we like sweet potatoes. And it's also a good exercise for all of us, though it's so sunny today.
What
So,
you say?
what did I say? So I'm just telling them that we're going to a farm and we will buy a sweet potato together with the kids and of course Daddy.
What you say?
So it's going to be a fun because this is our first time to go there. So let's go, guys. Huh? Oh yeah, I'll wait for me. Oh, you go. Just hold that one. Yeah.
Ginagawa mo.
You go. I know you can. Just step. One step at a time. Good. Okay, next step. Oh, that's it. Yeah. You know that you can do it. You're so tired? Pag-upag ito ng abutan. Huh? Yeah?
What?
Okay. Let's go. You go na. You can see Lola's house. Go. Go near to Papa. Red nga scene, Kuya. Red. It's red, Daddy. Yeah, the red one. Actually overlooking, you can see. But not too. So you can see there, Jesus reigns. So we're really at the top, but not that so high.
Bon.
Yeah, one siya sa Bonbon Road. And then the river.
Sinyasan.
Maybe up a hill.
Sinyasan, gila-gila sa babaw. Padung sa Muffin Peak.
Here? There? He is crying. siya sa mga dahon. He said it tickles him. Kuya Ram likes exploring. Where? This is a good thing, guys. If Kuya Ram speaks English, also KD learns to speak English, but he's not used to speak English. If you're going to ask kung tinuturuan ba namin siya all the time, not really po. So he learns to speak using English language by just watching. No, Kuya. Kuya, no. No. They put that one. No.
Ma, pilit kayo sa kahoy?
Oh, yes. You want to get... No. It's not ripe yet. Yeah, not yet. You like banana, but cannot eat that one because it's not ripe. Ah, you're hungry. So hindi po namin siya tinuturuan all the time na mag-English. Pero he knows how to speak English po dahil sa he keeps on watching movies, English movies like Peppa Pig, what else? Ben and Holly, Paw Patrol, and different English cartoons. He likes exploring things. What's that? Think of it. And we're here po sa aming destination. You can see marami po mga niyog. Only one or two houses there. So yung bahay na ito ay ang may-ari po ay yung relative na husband ko. Ginagawa mo! Kung dito po tayo titira, it's really nice. Okay lang. Kahit hindi siya malapit sa kalsada, it's fine because may mga niyog, may papaya, meron din iba't ibang prutas, saging. It's fine and it's so calming here. If you want peace every day, you can just stay here. So nice talaga dito. Yes, so naipapaya, naisaging, may kamoting kahoy. So may mga mangga. Nandun yung sweet potato. May maraming kamoting kahoy. Ang maririnig nyo po dito ay ang mga huni ng mga ibon na napakaganda. Mga nature lovers. Yeah. So you would really appreciate here. You really enjoyed. I'm gonna stay here? Why? Oh. Starring si Jig Jig. I like to stay here. Yes. Kitang-kita na na-enjoy ni Kuya Ram. Introducing our baby na hindi sanay sa maraming mga damo. Itchy daw, itchy. Pero wala, pero nakapaalang siya. Take a look at. Say hi, kitty. Oh, di ba? Yes. Where's your slipper? There? Echo. And we're going home, guys. So, ito na. May dala na. Yes. So, we will go home na. Balik ulit kami sa dinaanan namin kanina. It's really nice because kakain kami ng niyog. Channel. Yes, overlooking. It's really nice. Channel. Where is it na? I think it's there. Oh. Here.